job, guys. Right, we're going go-karting. I turned a year older, so we're going go-karting. There's 11 of us, I think. So we're just being assigned our grid positions for heat number 1. Just trying to get the heat in the front tyres, you know. What kind of starting position is that? You're like... Here we go, watching the green. Aggressive start. Run away! That wasn't me! He turned across me! I promise, referee! Just waiting for the green at any moment. Oh, those brakes are flashy, mate! We got some side by side here! Will Nicole yield to Ramon? No, he's gonna have to do better than that. What positions in the corner? Been pinged for being too aggressive. Sorry, Hans. You cheeky monkey. That's the suicide move, just gonna punt it down the inside and hope that it sticks. I am being attacked. I've ended up in a very quiet part of the track. Comes Reese with Nicole. We're back! Woo! Boogity boogity. How are you, buddy?
Hey, I'm here now. Hey, come on. Hey. Get down the road.
Reese has just got that much more weight that his car stays planted. Both gonna dive down the inside. I'm still here, buddy. Oh. Revised line for that hairpin. We're still trying to pass under yellows. That's funny. Yeah, wait. Oh, I knew that was coming. Switch, it was a bad idea on roasting. Starter's orders, here we go. Oh, I've got a flat battery. I stalled. Damn it! Cheers. Alright, we're away. Reese wasn't first-ish. Reese isn't first, and Daniel. Alright, let's go. It's only a heat, so I just need to put in clean laps. Right, where are? This is my marker. Daniel's going for it. Daniel and I are doing about same lap times. Yeah, he's slower through that lap. He's being held up by traffic. Go, 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 go. Just gonna punt it down the inside and run away. I've caught up with Reese, who started first. Oh yes, what a move! What a combo! Go Yana! Woo! It's because she doesn't weigh anything. Side by side, that was exciting stuff. Whew. Oh, that was good fun. Hope it did a decent lap. Oh, Daniel got P1. Up P2. I think this is for keeps now. Oh, woohoo! Ramon in third. Put the handbrake up. Hey! 1, 2, 3 OG. Try and get whatever advantage we can by creeping right up to the line. Alright, we'll come back. I reckon we're a bit close to the lines. Daniel's got an extra centimetre ahead of me. Here we go, under starter's orders. Here we go. Oh, the slowest of starts! Oh no, that was, oh, he pushed me! Daniel's gonna get away because he's fast! Oh, cold tyres! Oh, Nicole, you dirty girl! We've got Nicole the Punisher. Don't let the waves fool you, she will pit you into next week. Oh, I got work to do now. Oh my god! Come on, straighten out, girl. The sibling rivalry has taken over between the inter-family rivalry. Up. Daniel's going for the move. I got burning hot oil on my leg. Oh. Oh man, that just got so dirty. So dirty. I mean, what can you do about that? Absolutely nothing. Meanwhile, Daniel was gallivanting away at the front of the field. And the other two brothers just pit maneuvering each other. Set him up, set him up. Oh, we've got a freight train going on. That wasn't gonna work. Oh, I'm gonna blow that one out. Oh no!
You gotta wait.
Oh man! That was probably a bit of a selfish move there. We're in the race for both of us. Never mind. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on! The temptation just to give someone a little tap is so high. And then when they do spin out, lose traction, it's not nearly enough time to give you track position. See, like, no matter what line you take, they're always just a little bit faster. I mean, the line is there. Alright, Daniel's coming around for lap traffic. Boy, you're aggressive, I like it! Here comes the battle pack! He's getting heated, ah! Come on, too wide, doesn't work through there! Ah! That was a bad move! Things are heating up! Oh, I left too much room there. It's a bump and run. Ah! Oh. Oh man, I got absolutely wrecked then. Oh, that's kind of taking the fun out of it a little bit. Oh, that got my funny bone so good. I can't feel my right hand. Oh, hell's bells. Yeah, mostly.
Was a hard hit.
You bet it was. Yeah, mostly. Oh. No, I didn't realise I was the 3 wide though.